Welcome to Target Emission Services. Target is a Montrose Environmental Group company. Montrose is a multidisciplinary environmental company that has services across North America. Target Emission Services specifically focuses on providing optical gas imaging for oil and gas clients across Canada and the US. What differentiates us from our competitors is our experience, our data management system, and our quality work. Target is the oldest provider of optical gas imaging in Canada, with the most technicians and the most number of cameras. We have a custom designed data management system that is specifically designed to use with optical gas imaging and helps our clients manage their data from start to finish. Our experience and unique software enable us to provide a level of quality that is unmatched in the industry. The new leak detection regulations in Canada have created a large market for providing optical gas imaging services. But most of these companies don't have the experience or the technicians to provide a quality service. Colorado State University recently did a study that looked at the results of leak surveys with inexperienced camera operators versus experienced camera operators, and they found that experienced camera operators found almost twice as many leaks as the inexperienced operators. At Target, we've designed a detailed protocol that outlines the procedures and methodologies to follow to provide comprehensive surveys. Each technician is trained with these protocols to ensure that they're providing the highest level of survey. We also have a QA/QC program that looks at auditing each technician quarterly to ensure that they're providing the best service. When our technicians are on site doing a survey in the field, they use Target Track, which is an Android application they use to collect all the leak information. That information is then synced online to Target Online, which enables our clients to view leak data immediately as it's found. We've also developed an API integration system, which allows us to transfer data from Target Online to other software systems like SAP, Maximo, or other environmental management systems. So when a leak is created in Target Online, it can automatically be transferred into another software system, create a work order. When that leak is repaired, that work order is closed out, it can automatically transfer the information back into Target Online and close up the leak. The Target Online system helps our clients to manage the full life cycle of their LDAR programs. Here's a snapshot of Target Online, where you can see a dashboard to show what the status is of your LDAR program. This system helps our clients track the performance of the LDAR program on a company-wide or facility basis. You can look at repairs coming due, outstanding repairs, or overdue repairs, or you can dig into specific leaks and even find videos and pictures of specific leaks. The system was designed to be very user-friendly so that operators can access their leak information and start attempting repairs. They can also record their AVO, audio, visual, or factory surveys right into the system. The system can generate a variety of reports, whether it's regulatory reports, corporate performance reports, or even specific facility reports that show the leaks for each individual facility. We are the largest provider of optical gas imaging in North America. Please contact us for more information on how we can help you provide your LDAR programs.